Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to Steam. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy robot. Yes, with this thing, toothbrush, just something for a portable battery, and a motor that is actually called a vibration motor. And that's it. It's pretty simple and pretty awesome. And here is my pick. This is a little computer actually, and I put some there like welcome to Steam. It's awesome that you can actually program those things, those little things there. I'm going to show you in class what we're talking about today because computers are getting very small and you can play a lot of them. Okay, very good. So let's begin. Okay, so here's elements that you will need. I think you want to make look them closer. Okay, this is a toothbrush. Already got the the toothbrush there. You only need this part, and you will need this battery holder, the one that is with the kind of for the clocks, no, for your watches. Okay, and that's this vibrating motor. Okay, you can find it in any electronical store there, and it's very easy. Okay, so let me go for the upper camera and show you what we're going to do. It's pretty very simple. Okay, so zoom camera out. Cool, I love this technology. Okay, so I already have my heat gun here. Okay, and you are going to add some hot glue here. Oh my god, add some glue here. Okay, just let me grab here. That's it. There you go. We're going to, whoops, we're going to add hot glue here, a fair amount of hot glue here, okay? It, and you are going to put the battery holder here. Try to make it in the middle so it's the weight is distributed, okay? So when you put it on the on the desk, it will be equilibrated, okay? Good. So next part, we are going to turn it up. Let me bring our zoom camera again so you can see it as how you get it. Camera again, and here we are, zoom camera. Okay, so as you can see, that's the motor, that's the toothbrush, little glue there, but you can. Oh. And the only part that is missing right here is the battery. So there you are. So let's try it, okay? See what is going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to put the camera, the battery on. Okay. It falls, just try to put it as close as. There you go, it's running. Woo! Super cool, very easy, and very fast. It's coming around. Oh, there you go. Look at that. It's just getting all the way there. Very good. Well, I hope you like it. Super cool to play that one. You can make another one and play wars, you know. Who's going to fight with the other one, okay? Super cool. There you go. Okay, remember you can equilibrate that one in the with the motor so it gets more steady. It's super cool. Got it. Nice. Super nice. There you go. It goes again. Haha. Well, that's it. I hope you like it. And this is a name for the robot, Mini Steam. Haha. That's cool. Bye bye.